Bazzite versus Kubuntu. Which Linux distro is better for gaming? Choosing the right Linux distribution can transform your gaming experience without complex setup. We'll look at Bazzite and Kubuntu, two popular options with different strengths. Bazzite and Kubuntu are both Linux distros based on Ubuntu, but their focus differs. Bazzite is tailored for gamers with performance tweaks and gaming tools, while Kubuntu offers a polished KDE desktop experience for general use with gaming capabilities. Bazzite is a gaming-focused Linux distribution built on Arch Linux, designed to deliver high performance and low latency. It integrates gaming-specific optimizations, including custom kernels and pre-installed drivers for NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, ensuring smooth gameplay. Bazzite also includes Steam and Proton compatibility out of the box, allowing access to a vast library of Windows games through Steam Play. Its lightweight environment reduces background resource usage, maximizing system resources for gaming. However, since it is based on Arch, it may require more technical knowledge to maintain and update, which could be challenging for Linux newcomers. Bazzite is ideal for gamers who want a streamlined, performance-optimized OS with the latest software and drivers, and who are comfortable with a more hands-on approach to system management. Ubuntu is an official Ubuntu flavor featuring the KDE Plasma desktop, known for its sleek interface and user-friendly design. It offers excellent hardware compatibility and access to the extensive Ubuntu software repositories. Ubuntu supports gaming well through Steam and Lutris, and benefits from Ubuntu's stability and widespread community support. While it does not include gaming-specific tweaks by default, KDE Plasma's customization options let users optimize performance and visual settings to suit gaming needs. Kubuntu's focus on usability makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Its limitations include less aggressive gaming optimizations compared to specialized distros like Bazzite, which might affect performance on lower-end hardware. Kubuntu suits gamers who want a reliable, visually appealing desktop environment with solid gaming support and easy maintenance. Choosing between Bazzite and Kubuntu depends on your priorities. Bazzite excels in raw gaming performance, with its Arch base and gaming tweaks, perfect for those seeking maximum frame rates and compatibility with the latest hardware. However, it demands more Linux expertise for setup and upkeep. Kubuntu offers a polished KDE experience with broader usability beyond gaming, making it better for users who want a stable system for daily tasks and gaming combined. In real-world use, Bazzite's performance edge benefits competitive gaming and newer titles, while Kubuntu's stability and ease suit casual gamers and those new to Linux. The trade-off is between specialized gaming performance and a balanced, user-friendly environment. Choose Bazzite if you prioritize gaming performance, cutting-edge updates, and are comfortable managing a more technical Linux setup. Opt for Kubuntu if you want a stable, user-friendly desktop with solid gaming support and easy maintenance. Both distros offer excellent gaming experiences, so pick the one that fits your technical comfort and daily use needs best.